Wagwan ENT.
Addis Ababa International.
The years, yeah? Shabba.
Too long. Them want test, but them a stand up in a hand's nest. They don't appear by that. You cold, son boy. You welcome test king, son boy. Easy. Watch this. Hook on them roaring. Them bow. Them bow to Too long. Them want test, but them a stand up in a hand's nest. They don't appear by that. You bow, son boy. You welcome test king, son boy. Easy. Watch this. Hook on them roaring. Them bow. Them bout to blow, wow, them bow. A son want test, don't love him bow. Go tell the world him bout to blow, wow. Him not the dumb plate, that mean him bow. Go tell the world him bout to blow, wow. One play with stone love play, that mean him bow. One build box like stone love him bow. Him bout to blow, wow, and me say that no go. Stone love a kill son, and that is no. You long up your mouth like me mama also. One just like roaring, that means say you bow. One look like we bow, that means say you bow. Wap 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 is a dumb plate trap. Tell all the some boy them fi just back. If you not no dumb plate, say you a idiot. What is stone love and is pure gunshot. Them bow, them bow, them bow. A son want test, we bow, him bow. A one want test, stone love, me know him bow. You borrow dumb plate, that means say you bow. One look like stone love, that means say you bow. You long up your mouth like me mama also. A test stone love and we gon' kill you now. You long up your face but you just bow. Them bow, them bow, them bow. If this stone love massive, them don't bow. If this we bow, me know him.
Feel out all the enemies, stone love. Leave we all on the friend. Feel out all the enemies, stone love. Leave we all on the friend, stone love. Got the bomber, we have a new gun where they call it the bomber. They blow up boy ship and they blow up the tanker. Ruled by stone lover, it control the border. Shoot off every stone boy in every area. Shoot a informer, half of the corner. From behind a wall, they kill a sound owner. Follow me no massive and crew. Kill out all the enemies, stone love. Leave we all a the friend, follow me. Let's say kill out all the enemies, stone love. Leave we all a the friends, stone love. Got the bomber, we have a new gun where they call it the bomber. They blow up one ship and they blow up the tanker. Ruled by stone love and they control the border. This a cut a rap on the microphone.
Stop.
Addis Ababa International.
And listen. Now this one happens to be a remix style of the one that the item loves. Same one play a different style. A little more from now we play the original style. See? Now Ninja.
All you little pussy you talk about you have gun to kill people. But remember man, we have a gun now and when we are come to kill people, we don't ask question. Murder and then we give you name and address man. Pina man and one. Now no listen to the dance. Soon love original gun, gargan, watch a man. Oh, it's dying time again, I see a sound boy crying. I can tell you by the way sound lover play tonight. But see a man, I can tell you by the way we miss selecting. All Lord God knows it's not long before a sound boy I go lose them life. But what's the evidence of? Wanna give me way, perfect clean me gun, give me way sound boy for your drop on the gun. Sound gun, gargan, watch a man. Oh, it's dying time again, I see a sound boy crying. I can...
Okay. Sorry. Now the girl them say the truck, somebody is blocking the truck and the truck won't move, see? So the man who drive the car that block the bodyguard truck, will you please move your car and make the truck leave, see? Because the people them want to go and they kind of frightened, you know? So as we enter...
I can tell you by the way sound lover play tonight, but see a man, I can tell you by the way we miss selecting. All I God knows it's not long before a sound boy I go lose them life. But what's the evidence of? No give me way, bring me gun, give me way, sound boy for your drop on the ground, give me pass. Make we shot the boy first, you know see the boy I go like a bad boy, be just step aside. Make we clean the gun, them you know see the boy I go like say me and him a friend, give me way. Make me shot the one and you know see the boy I go like him a bad boy a town, give me pass. Make me take the one and you know see the one I go like say me a paper because murder them. Give them and done, me say no poison, me I go tell you since thing. When motor every me do assassinating I make boy tremble. Execution I want wicked something but give me way. Make me clean me gun like him a bad boy, a tongue give me pass. Me not no mercy, me use me front teeth, gold teeth and kill me. But imagine man, Stone Love so wicked that he use him front teeth, gold teeth, kill all in granny. When they do that, something go hold pants on where about them want test. Let me tell you something, watch you now. Let me tell you something, hear what? It's like, mom is the right power printer plays the game. Mom is the right power printer plays the game. You know, you come a dance all that's about your need dance all game. I think that Stone Love come here so we play no ring game. We got a lick you, cause we say we can't get here. Me tell you, murder them in lemon down. When they come a dance all, then take the dance and give it fun. Because us in sound chest we are gonna lick it down. Flat like 3 no more time and just switch over up and go. Because right and now the then Gorgon cup. We have more than who one house a gun. Give me way, ready clean the gun. Give me way, sound boy before you drop on the ground. Give me cause, make me shot the boy first so you know see the boy a gun like it. Watch a man. Yeah. It's like when we come gun gargan come. When we part 2 man we now left we gun. We say one house a gun man a we fling it down. Shut out a boy teeth straight on the ground. When we shut out his teeth man we do.
For this.
And if you want
the bodyguard,
we touch tongue, busting bit of gall and mash up in wisdom. Me tell you, you did and gargan just come down, give me way. Ready to clean me gun, give me way. Sound boy before me shot you down, give me pass.
Down Johnny Osborne. Check the music room.
Back bus, step aside.
Dance Johnny Osborne.
Dance all that's about your need dance all game. I think that Stone Love come here so we play no ring game. We got to lick you, cause we tag and we say we can't get here. Me tell you, murder them in lemon down. When they come a dance all, then take the dance and give it fun. Because us in sound chest we are gonna lick it down. Flat like 3 no more time and just switch over up and go. Because right and now the then Gorgon cup. We have more than who one house a gun. Give me way, ready clean the gun. Give me way, sound boy before you drop on the ground. Give me pass, make me shot the boy first so you not see the boy a gun like it. Watch a man. Yeah. It's like when we come gun gargan come. When we part 2 man we now left we gun. We say one house a gun man a we fling it down. Shut out a boy teeth straight on the ground. When we shut out his teeth man we don't touch him gum. And if him want like him skill we touch tongue. Busting bit of gall and mash up in wisdom. Me tell you you did and gargan just come down. Give me way, ready to clean the gun. Give me way, sound boy before me shot you down. Give me pass. Says Stone Love is vicious. We will shut out your teeth and your head back bust step aside. When Stone Love back coming, you know you the gun gag and sound a come down because kill them and done. That a know nothing. They never know say we did so terrible. Tell them Stone Love because we a sample. Me say we drop and ready.
Now if you need the sound to dance to, go to Stone Love. If you need a sound to be in a good mood, go to Stone Love. Now thank you, fish for let and wet the con sound test. When Dan Antilo is around, so Dan Antilo cut.
Woi, woi, woi. Woi, 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 woi. I still love.
Push it down on them, push it down on them.
Ragamuffin and yeah. Love rubies,
Which sound draw you for a near? Only one sound expensive and dear. Yes, Stone Love come to rule this air. Trying to conquer Stone Love. The sound is like a blessing from above. We'll never conquer Stone Love. And we have the quality. You trying to conquer Stone Love. The sound is like a blessing from above. Cause going around and saying that you are the toughest, and that is the wrong thing to do. Yes. Soon one day you're gonna beg him for mercy. Daddy, we won't prove it to you.
Now, massive. And to the bodyguard crew, remember, never you bite the hand that feed you.
Addis Ababa
Bodyguard
International.
never have a good session in Kingston, Jamaica without playing with Stone Love. You fuck it up.
Oh,
people raise sound a blazing and sound run away. If people raise stone love sound a blazing and sound run away. We ain't gonna wait and no special hour.
What is going on?
Come out and pain, man. Rory, big up in a Robert, there, take a slice. Yay! Whoa! Yeah! If people raise stone love sound a blazing and sound run away. Oh, yeah. If people raise stone love sound a blazing and sound run away. We ain't gonna wait a no special hour. It's gonna kill the sound guy. Oh Lord, wait a no special hour. Before stone love sound is gonna kill the sound guy. You know why? Cause we can kill one sound, 2, 3 or 4, but there's certain things we always enjoy. Respect, understand, dedication, care, or else stone love in the middle of nowhere. To have a good sound, you gotta spend money. What's the matter with some owners? Come on, they are crazy. You want your sound to be the champion. That's Rory and Weepo, them you they are done. No special hour. Before stone love sound is gonna kill the sound guy. Oh Lord, wait no special hour. Yeah, Robert Lee is gonna kill the sound guy. Oh Lord, in the area, talk about them a play midnight power. Whole heap of sound boy in the area. I talk about them a play dub to dub power, but stone love sound full up of power. Kill any sound that try cross the border. You know wait no special hour. Before stone love sound is gonna kill the sound guy. Oh Lord, wait no special hour.
Out! Robert Lee, now Scotty coming in.
Don't try to come and talk about who want test cancer. Cancer, Repo, and Rowie, and Cho. All of them like a faggot son over there, so how to play Cho. One of them come and stone love, come talk about me, yes, stone love play this, and me, yes, stone love play that. Them never know so them could have played till them here, stone love play that. Come on, Scotty, because we are intellect youth of the year.
Not test them, not test them, not not test them, not test them, not test them. Because every time a song will try to play stone love, he gets himself in a problem.
Well, now it's only Repo and Rowie that play this time.
Iceberg!
Lord of mercy, stone love. Lord of mercy, why would? Hey, hey, see. Every time a song will try to play stone love, he gets himself in a problem. Every time a song will try to play stone love, he power and dance with them. Every time a song will try to play stone love, he always gets a beating. Every time a song will try to play stone love, he don't know what he's doing. Cause is the champion sound. Stone love is the rap next sound. Not test them, not trend them, no stress them, Lord. Them are the A1 sound. Don't test them, don't stress them, not trend them, no. Them are the champion sound. Try to play stone love, he runs out of rhymes and reasons. Every time a samba try to play stone love, his dub plates are out of season. Samba, can't you see? It's time to give up. You're never gonna beat stone love, he's too rough. Samba, can't you see? It's time to give up. You're never gonna beat stone love, he's too rough. Go stone love, he's the champion sound. Stone love, who you? It's the rock next sound. Not test them, no test Them are the rough next town. No test them, no test them, no rush them, Lord. Them are the champion sound. Soundboard, you see, it's time to give up. You never gonna beat Stone Love.
Out,
Soundboard, can't you see?
One like Scotty. Now Super Beagle and the crew coming.
We're going to take it on the door. No goes there. Original twins, expensive and dear, man. Don't worry. Stone Love is a champion sound. And when a ramp kill Dibby sound and shot the pussy them over the bar to make them turn over. Now come down Super Beagle, cause we no kin teeth. Respect cut around. You know my brother. Rory, big up, Birchell, Cancer, and all the crew. Ladies. Hey! Boy.
Yeah!
Boy. Still love I got just out a sound boy tonight.
Party hard.
A lot of them going to suffer tonight.
Freeze it! Otherwise, those
expensive and dear, man. Don't worry. Stone Love is a champion sound. And when a ramp kill Dibby sound and shot the pussy them over the bar to make them turn over. Now come down Super Beagle, cause we no kin teeth. Respect cut around. You know my brother. Rory, big up, Birchell, Cancer, and all the crew. Ladies. Boy. Still love I got just out a sound boy tonight. A lot of them going to suffer tonight, Lord. Cause this session is getting hotter. And this ya dancer, it's run by Rory. A lot of people going to feel good tonight. Let me tell you this. So a lot of sound boy are gonna end up a fight. But remember to praise Stone Love, and we will guide you throughout this session. Lord of mercy, we got to stop to every sound boy. Them have to talk to report. Come on dance on, we are gonna kill them with the liquor. Yes, Stone Love, say you want the teacher. One call Rory, the boom boom selector. Second commander, the one named Peter. For the owner, we power him at the teacher. This will cut him and on the microphone speaker. Because sound boy, me say make him turn over. Anywhere we go, Stone Love and then the teacher. Come up every crib is a rule every corner. Come down Super Beagle, I know you a warrior. A lot of sound boy running and hiding tonight. Said a lot of them running and hiding tonight, yes. Cause it's your action. You must get your fraction. In this ya dance hall, Stone Love are the champion. Lord of mercy, I say kill them, Stone Love, kill them. Kill them with the rubber dub selection. Kill them, Stone Love, kill them. Kill them with the rubber dub music. You see the sound thing? Stone Love run that. Tell all the sound man them fi turn back. You see the sound thing? Cancer rule that. Tell all the sound man them fi turn back. Ragad up. And we no stop lick shot. Ragad up and the BDB sound pick up. Say ragad up. Another one get chopped. Ragad up.
Shortcut. Now go round the road. No one massive and crew. You know it's 1,000,001 sound in that town. And bodyguard, no stop beg to play with Stone Love in that town. See? And now them come at this. See? You know we call them hypocrite. No, you know man, I'm talk about bodyguard run special thing. I want to see which sound of this world you can cut dub like Stone Love. Joke thing. Joke thing, when I said joke thing. Now Frankie Park coming.
And now, here comes the Stone Love Prize Catalog Sweepstakes with the original sound, Stone Love Movement.
Hear this!
Right. Now hear this. To all the massive them going out at Tropic Nightclub. Sing and all the ladies, the beautiful ladies who listen to Stone Love Movement. Right. I remember that night I met. This is Stone Love Prize Catalog sweepstakes.
Fold.
With the original sound, Stone Love Movement.
Addis Ababa International.
Right. Now hear this. To all the massive them going out at Tropic nightclub. Shane and all the ladies, the beautiful ladies who listen to Stone Love Movement. Right. I remember that night I met you. And you said you wanna test my sound. But now you got greedy. You leaving me standing on the Stone Love sound. I remember that night I played you, and you said you thought it could test us, but now you got greedy.
Now here it is. Now here it is. Now here it is. Now here it is. I'm gonna play about that tune. I'm saying. I see right now in a New York City, African Association run that. See, I want to big up Claude and Richie, who not here right now. And the man you go there and Rory dance the 22nd of June. See.
The Stone Love Prize Catalog Sweepstakes with the original sound, Stone Love Movement. Right.
Repeat.
Now hear this. To all the massive them going out at Tropic nightclub. Shane and all the ladies, the beautiful ladies who listen to Stone Love Movement. Right. I remember that night I met you. And you said
Berry, see, church them.
Well, hear this. I know from years to come and years to go and year that passes by a long time ago, you know, man. I tell you, you know, man, I said this word once ago, you know, man, and I will say it again, you know, man. The cleanest sound in the world, you know, man, that can never play.
I want to big up all the Concord digital crew out of Connecticut. See, I'm on like Richie.
Well, hear this. I know from years to come.
Church them.
One year that passes by a long time
We'll
ago.
kill
You know,
and bury.
I tell you, you know, man, I said this word once ago, you know, man, and I will say it again, you know, man. The cleanest sound in the world, you know, man, that can never play and give you a decent dancehall, man, that youth from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 up to 17, 18, 19, and 21, you know, man, can go and the people, them that is 75 years of age can go, you know, man. I can tell you, if your dancehall can run, you know, man, the place, you must go to Stone Love, you know, man. Well, hear this! The cleanest sound of the world, man. All I boy them wanna know God, man. You want to see the other day my house burned down and my car broke down. Me can't find no food to give me youth them and me go 104 Walton Park Road and me check Pastor Blair and me say Pastor Blair. Me tell him all me trouble, me think say Pastor Blair out in me collection. You where Pastor Blair look for me and tell me say yeah, you know. Me bring them all, bring them all, bring them all to Jesus. And he will turn your sorrows back into joy. What the man say, man? The man say, yeah, you mean? Wanna bring them all, bring them all, bring them all. Turn your sorrows into joy. Me look for the man say, oh, me I go to Jesus. When me I go say to you, the man come to me and say, yeah, say, Ninja, when you want to talk to God, you say, oh, please let me walk with you, Jesus. Never leave me alone. For without thee, I'll never make a heaven my home.
Addis Ababa International.
I've been a listening. I've been a listening all the while. I've been a listening all the long while. When sinners pray, go read in the book of Matthew. Hear what it has to say. It was written in the Bible.
Yeah, man. Bring them all to Jesus, man. Church them no ninja.
I hear them talking about Bill Teacock. Have numberless round here and I have verse to carry you to. Read anything you want. Just order, I will bring them come. Be in the minute. Look, man. So you can go on. Terrorize the community day and night. But any day,
Listen,
I'm gonna put the man for you, boy. Me know you are gonna lose your life. You can't listen, Bobby. Hear me tell you. Don't forget who's gonna rule the town. I know it's gonna be. You hear me tell them now. It's the Dan dog and with the gun panty in front of who me talking about. What me tell them, say? The very young the license to kill. From your test when you should I hear this. I hear them talking about Bill Teacock. I have numberless round here and I have verse to carry you to. Read anything you want. I will bring them come. Be in the minute. Look, yeah, man. So you can go on. Terrorize the community day and night. But any day, you done gone and put a man on you, boy. Me know you are gonna lose your life. You can't listen, Bobby. Hear me tell you. Don't forget who's gonna rule the town. I know it's gonna.
Now hear this, massive. Don't blame the security. They're only doing their assignment. And they're here to tone us down. Not really turn out. Tone us down. So we have to respect the security in all aspects. So while massive, just stay easy. We're gonna be toning down. I know it's our time to play. So when bodyguard, when you come on, if you want to do else wise, or you get locked off, well that's how it goes. See? It's only a pity.
This is the Iron Gate. Sound boy, you can't get through. Stone Love, the #1 sound is about to play. Pack up and leave. Dibby, sound boy, know yourself. Because Stone Love gonna put you on the shelf. Why don't you come to Stone Love School and let him teach you the musical rule? Now you're gonna burial camp. Stone Love send you a burial camp. Now you're gonna burial camp. Sound boy, you gonna.
Don't you try to test
Pack up and leave. Dibby, sound boy, know yourself. Because Stone Love gonna put you on the shelf. Why don't you come to Stone Love School and let him teach you the musical rule? Now you're gonna burial camp. Stone Love send you a burial camp. Now you're gonna burial camp. Sound boy, you're gonna burial camp. Why don't you come to school and let us teach you how to play the rule? Stick by the rules and don't be no fool. Remember you were playing against the best. Stone Love sound, you know you can't test. Sound boy, Iron Gate. You meet up on the Iron Gate. Oh. Town boy, come to Stone Love School.
I want a man remember one thing. Me run round yourself, see? Anything say round yourself, it goes from me. So anything say round yourself, it goes from the head. So whether the head or the tail want to deal with me, I don't business.
People them talking, man. Just Stone Love the best, you know, man. So you got to appreciate this one, you know, man. Catch this. Being him in one. What's gunman, man? Let me just wave me gun, man. Some boy talk about that gun now waste. I know my gun, the finger pan trigger ready to bust. Anyway, oh, it's time again. Me see a sound boy crying. Lord of God, yeah. I can tell you by the way we post start to select tonight. Watch out, look here now. I can tell you by the way Chihuahua him is mixing. Oh Lord God, man. I can see every girl in a Stone Love them feel alright. Watch a man. Uno give me pass. Like him a bad boy, this so step aside. Make me clean the gun, them you know see the boy a go like him a bad boy again. Uno move. Make me kill this ya one, you know see the boy a go like say him a bad man because when me come me a done gargan. Have see me gonna print out in me hand. Gun in a waist, me say you no bad man. Man can disarm you as easily as him can. Next thing you know, so love by one done. When the mapping gun in a respect no one.
What a pity.
Addis Ababa International.
Police come and interrupt. I know tune a play it, you know. Ninja.
Gunman, man. Let me just wave me gunman. Some boy talk about that
Sure.
gun now. So my gun, like finger pan trigger ready to bust. Anyway, oh, it's dying time again. Me see a sound boy crying. Lord of God, yeah. I can tell you by the way we post start to select tonight. Watch out, look at now. I can tell you by the way to worry him mixing. Oh Lord, I can see every girl in a stone like them feel alright. What am I?
Bodyguard!
You know see the like my bad boy be so step aside. Anyway, oh it's dying time again. Me see a sound boy crying.
Oh you this! I will not rap up, I will not beg no friend. I will not eat a no man yard. See?
The best you know, man.
Want
So
some man
that
know
to
that.
appreciate this, I want to know, man. Get this. Being man in the one. What's gunman, man? Let me just wave me gun, man. Some boy talk about that gun now waste. I know my gun, the finger pan trigger ready to bust. Anyway, oh it's dying time again. Me see a sound boy crying. Lord of God, yeah. I can tell you by the way we post start to select tonight. Watch out, look at now. I can tell you by the way Chihuahua him is mixing. Oh Lord God, man. I can see every girl in a stone love them feel alright.
Bring it down!
Don't give me pass, make me shut it down. So step aside. Make me clean this one, them you know see the boy a go like him a bad boy again no move. Make me kill this ya one, you know see the boy a go like say him a bad man because when me come me a done gargan. Up to me gonna
Now Chico.
gun in a waist me say you no bad man.
You know stone love is like Anansi. We don't drink our porridge when it's hot. We put it to sun to trick the crowd. The man said we're gonna get hot till it get cold. So when them things stone have done with us, I come on a fool. I don't want to know I'm not in the reserve. Only idiot country bunker. Come with it!
And when the people them talk, you know, man, them say stone over the best, you know, man, so you got to appreciate.
And when me talk, I respect not guy. I want to hear that.
What's gunman, man? I know my gun, the finger pan trigger ready to bust. Anyway, oh, it's dying time again. Me see a sound boy crying. Lord of God. I can tell you by the way we post start to select tonight. Watch out, look you know. I can tell you by the way Chihuahua him is mixing. Oh Lord God, man. I can see every girl in a stone love them feel alright.
Oh wow!
Uno give me pass, make me shut it boy. You know see the boy a go like him a bad boy. This so step aside. Clean the gun them. You know see the boy a go like him a bad boy again. Uno move, make me kill this ya one. You know see the boy a go like say him a bad man because when me come me a done gargan. Have to me gonna print out in me hand. Gun in a waist, me say you no bad man. Man can disarm you as easily as him can. Next thing you know, so love by one done. When him mapping gun in a respect, no one give me pass. Let me kill the boy, them you know, she said them a terrorist. People them give me way. Cause me not beg friend when you hear so love boy, you in a problem, give me pass. Me not have no sympathy, me use the front teeth, gold teeth and kill me granny. Boy, me I tell you, can you imagine man? A man use them front teeth, gold teeth and kill all him granny. Boy, we expect him to do with all people, man, them and no nothing. Eh? You hear man turn say nah, no sympathy, him damn dog and kill all foul early Sunday morning and when the pastor go to church, him a put on him clothes. We are talking about watch out, look at. Oh, it's some funeral time again, I see a sound boy moaning. Cause in select and in DJ them about to bury tonight. And I can tell you by the way the dancehall fans them is dressing. Them come out for meet a sound boy in general vibes. Yeah, you man stone up, kill the bitch. You know see say you know see say that a witch crab it kill me bitch. You know sister in a dance hall boy no stop big ditch. How him catch stone up, love up, tone up in my pitch, I must fly. Aha, but I only know me I talk about it, but me not call the part they kind
All
of
standpipe crew, all White House crew, TG Jungle, all massive. I know Saxon what I'm dealing with. See not talk about Tiger and Shako.
Hey you, don't talk about them face like that boy. You must smell bad. It smell like exactly. It smell like everybody badly.
But you don't worry.
I want to learn. Stone up, don't have to play no country.
Dealing. We're dealing. You're looking some from stone up to the ceiling. We're dealing. We're really dealing. We're dealing. I'm shut you now. We have a message that I'm on them. So we do not play a message that I'm in them. Oh, the whooping of the speaker. I'm not to kill them. Hey, the fighting of the teacher. I'm not to kill them. Style where we are. Some of them. Warriors that some of them we own it. Really and truly stone love Sony Taddy dance really and truly stone love Sony Taddy dance. Well, I want to tell something. We are the Dan and the champion. Money in the right, a woman in the left hand. I want you know you just wave your hand. Ball forward because pull over on. Ball forward because Tiger on. All the Santi, Wapidian. All the people from Jungle. All the people from Rima.
Oh my God. Now big up the Super Saiyan crew, Gemini crew, Metro Media Massive, and all them crew, the same Javis crew. Now here it is.
International sounds like the Stone Love that rules the world. When you talk about sounds like the Stone Love, you're talking about sounds of quality, exclusively. And this is Bad and Tony. We are waiting for Martin.
I want to take them, man. No respect title.
When you talk about sounds like the Stone Love, you're talking about sounds of quality, exclusively. And this is Bad and Tony. We are Stone Love, they never know you have the Stone Love, them never know you have the anger. Come on and tell me, woo. Just tell me who have the I wanna know, woo. Just tell me who have the tiger. Cause Stone Love sound have the tiger. The tiger, Mr. Weeper of the tiger. The tiger, Mr. Rory of the tiger. The tiger, Manka Cancer of the tiger. The tiger, Lampard and Tony of the tiger. The tiger, around the mic me just a bubble. A bubble around the mic me no tremble. A tremble and watch a sound boy a fumble. A fumble when we stick him with the needle. The needle, so tell me woo. Just tell me who have the tiger. I wanna know woo. Just tell me who have the tiger.
Freeze! Otherwise known as Iceberg, the new name. Put that pampas, or that's what that. See? 1991 style. And a pure April thing we are playing right now. No more all is what good is. April thing, 1991. New tune time. That's what them things there. See? Things Stone Love wrap up our play. Now here it is.
About the undisputed heavyweight champion sound of the whole music world. You can't always tell me why every girl that. And you miss a mouth almighty over there, so you like talk. Well, hear this now. It's crucifixion when Stone Love play tonight. And you better know, say, oh, we're going to strike like a dynamite. Original Gorilla Tony Rebel says, so come with the move, boy. Oh, Lord of mercy. Original Rebel Tony. Stone Love in the community, man. Watch this now. No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today and get sorry tomorrow. Mr. Stupid, you hold back, you are run. No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today.
from New York, and it's the first time ever hear so much fucking shot fire in a dance.
Now it's a fiction when Stone Love play tonight, and you better know say, oh, we are gonna strike like a dynamite. Original Gorilla Tone Rebel says, so come with the road boy. Oh, Lord of mercy.
What one ENT?
Original Rebel Tone. Stone Love in the community, man. Watch this now. No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today and get sorry tomorrow. Mr. Stupid, you hold back, you are run. No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today and you're sorry tomorrow. No, Mr. Stupid, you hold back, you are run. And not today, and you see that the Stone Love did a run through the hills and valleys.
All come again. In the meantime, we take it inside to the groove, nice, warm and easy. I will select all again. Set speed into me. I worry.
Say that was a Stone Love, undisputed heavyweight champion sound of the whole music world. You can't always tell every boy, every girl that. And you miss a mouth almighty if they say you like talk. Well, hear this now. It's Crucifixion when Stone Love play tonight. And you better know so
I strike
like a dynamite. Original Gorilla Tone Rebel says, so come with the road boy. Oh, Lord of mercy.
Outside.
Original Rebel Tone. The community, man. Watch this now.
Come on.
No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today and get sorry tomorrow. Mr. Stupid, you hold back, you are run. No bad up, but I'm Stone Love today and you're sorry tomorrow. No, Mr. Stupid, you hold back, you are run. And not today, and you see that the Stone Love did a run through the hills and valleys, through that zone. Looking for a slice of the cake to take it home. So if we bust out of the park, leave us alone because I dub run with blood. It's stiff up, we bound to the musical palace. We're a heir to the throne. You're living a glass house, no bother throw stone. You try stop Stone Love, you depend your own because Panda you come is a more than sound. One sound there you and a Stone Love sound. Panda you come is a more than sound. And sound there you and a Stone Love sound. So if a sound were in the way, him a fit come out. We come with dub, so we come without doubt. We lyrically arm, we fire all bout. No physical harm, just cool your scout. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble.
Here it is.
A little dibby sound, one test, Stone Love won't find out how him stay. So we know so we run the country and we're full of the agony. I tell you, oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but we are doing the best that we can. Stone Love him on the hour. For you will launch the attack, we are the hour. All you look a sound over there, so we are going like one for your Scud missile. It's like we don't know what to go on over here, so it's Stone Love sound. It weird the armor. So no shot can pass, you think a lie? Ask man like Weepo, man, original Tone Rebel, man, and Rory and the man, they sin. The Lord of mercy. Stone Love in the community. And we want you to listen with. Watch me now. Oh Lord, it's hard to be humble. Perfect in every way. A little dibby sound, one test, Stone Love won't find out how him stay. So we run the country and we're full of the agony. I tell you, oh Lord, it's hard to be humble, but we are doing the best that we can. Stone Love him on the hour. We will launch the attack, we are the armor. In a some guns and we are the armor. We will launch the attack, we are the armor. We don't stop counter react, hear this. Tell us some boys we come test, we know we just bust the brain and fly tomorrow. We just kill it today and kill it all tomorrow. We make a sound boy end up in a pain and sorrow. We just take it from you, so send it way down. So we just give it a cat figure, sell kiss go a sound boy. I go on like say it a Rambo. Stone Love sound bad like Commando. Cause anything that you can do, Stone Love can do it better. We are the roughest. Toughest. And any old W can play. Stone Love can play some better.
And everybody feel Irish. I wanna lay down my Magnum Rebel. like a part two in combination. Julius and Mr. Rebel. Oh, God.
I tell you, man, for Stone Love, man, the toughest sound under the stars, man. Watch this.
Lord of mercy. Ragamuffin at the party. And everybody feel irate. Even though you. I wanna lay down my magnum rebel. Down by my pillar. Down by my pillar. Down by my pillar head. I'm gonna lay down my magnum. Down by my pillar head. I got to make sure my life secure. Oh, yes, rebel.
Watch this now. We come for take it. I know we not left it. You make a guy stay the rest. I know we
and Mr. Rebel.
Let me not tell you, man, for Stone Love, man, the toughest sound under the stars, man. Watch this.
Lord of mercy. Ragamuffin at the party.
Daddy, man.
And everybody feel irate. Even though you. I wanna lay down my magnum rebel. Down by my pillar head. Down by my pillar. Down by my pillar head. I'm gonna lay down my magnum.
Pull up a tune. Now you see the Afri crew. Them now fight against no sound. See? That's the way them live. It's nice for them and next sound. See? It's nice every time with African Stone of Two Brothers sound. See? So cause a man don't know that. See? Two Brothers sound. Now Claude come in.
Rockabessa. Respect my youth.
Original old boy son, my reap one worry and cancer man, stole love thing the ramp and beg. Marga dog, to run by the kid to the people man. You got to play stone people man. Come on boy, come on boss not one. Lord of mercy. Stone love in your party. And hear me now. We must kill one. Ragamuffin ball, we must kill one. We must love one. Ragamuffin ball, we must because no sound rough, not tougher than Stone Love youth man. Stone Love sound of the champion. Me ball boom by out of the jam. First a first and second a second. Me no matter type of sound. If them a name brand, Stone Love sound man, it come here this time. Stone Love sound full of selection. Massive and passy and young we must kill one. Stone Love sound, they said it must lose one. Because it mash up no sound in a competition. A Stone Love end up as number one. A youth man, you better understand. We passy and they could them just at why we must kill
Junior Demons.
Why we must kill it.
In the meantime,
because like the youth named Rory Jaman, spend no money on the sound youth man. Buy enough dub and selection and bring enough selection, keep the people in action. Like that Demus Ragamuffin at the microphone stand. Lyrics me talk for them your new brand, but we must kill one. Yeah, you man.
They think I had alone, no wicked and we crucial. Son of you a murderer when you go up there. I had alone, no wicked and you're crucial. Son of you a murderer when you go up there. Tired of the jump on. So I love you a champion. Me all a tired of the jump on. Make a way for the gargan. War in the east and war in the west. All because of the special we possess. War in the north and war in the south. And as them come as a Stone Love lick them up. Tired of the jump on. Stone Love you a champion, you hear me? Tired of the jump on. Make a way for this. Too long, so love you to play when original something. Too long, so love you be playing.
Walk one ENT.
You're the king since you've been gone. I've been all alone with no sound to call of my own. No, and since you've been gone, I've been on my career.
Outer Pinchers Bar. I know a 1991 style.
Block out. Watch me now. Don't say stone up. Watch out. Them not like we and we not like them. Original bad boy. How are the man as a rude boy? Yeah, call him a like me, but we don't like them.
Fire!
I stone up, uptown and downtown, level to the max here. I don't know what just doing. I'm running things 24/7, 48/4. Right around the globe, cables and the top, and the pet people. Watch me now. Don't say stone up. Watch out. Them not like we and we not like them. Them we and them not pay. Them not like we and we not like them. Them away and them away and them. Don't go look come again. But when they body man, them come again.
Enjoyment.
Watch this now, enough people and
Well,
I don't love where you are.
atrocity.
As I lift up my eyes unto the hill from whence come my help might come from the Lord which created heaven and earth. Check your Bible. 121 songs for them Stone Love because I know a big and all of the nice people full of Stone Love. Listen to one of this is Cape Town man, original bad boy. How are the man as a rude boy? Yeah, call him a like it, but we don't like them either. A Stone Love man, uptown and downtown, level to the max here. I know just Stone Love running 24/7, 48/4. Right around the globe, cables and the top, and the pet people, and the back down. Block out, watch me now. Don't say Stone Love. Watch out. Them not like we and we not like them. Them away enemy we and them not pay. Them not like we and we not like them. Them away enemy we and them. Don't go look come again. Billy cut from the body man, them will come again. The sound them will come again. Billy cut from the informer, them will come again. Billy cut from the backbiter, them we a go lick out. From the body man, them. Cause the one thing we know them no want a girlfriend, we a go lick out. From the sodomite them. Cause the one thing we know them no want a girlfriend, we a go lick out. From the sodomite them. Cause the one thing we know them no want a man friend to destroy. We not in a no with them.
Now hear this.
Addis Ababa International.
Now you know Mr. Simit is the era. Final tune. No nice.
I'm
no
tired
nice.
of this. I've been listening, I've been reading, I've been seeing, and I've been hearing.
Addis Ababa
The
International.
girl them change. And a shame to know what happened to the man them we make love nowadays. A shame. A front teeth, gold teeth, shame. Can you imagine, man? Some man nowadays ask the woman them to do something, you know. Like, you know, put...
Yo. The man who knock that, just go on. See? Before me have to kick off my glad. See? I don't want to put my red light on no man tonight. See? Final tune.
No. I'm tired of this. I've been listening, I've been reading, I've been seeing, and I've been hearing. The girl them change. And a shame to know what happened to the man them we make love nowadays. A shame. A front teeth, gold teeth, shame. Can you imagine, man? Some man nowadays ask the woman them to do something, you know. Like, you know, put you know what I mean, don't you know what I mean, and me I tell you, man, the man they don't want to return the favor them, you know. Miss Darling. Me I tell you, man, when the girl them and do what them to do, the man they don't want to do it back, so the girl them find a new style. So lover boy, watch out, me shame. Front it gold, shame. Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Oh, say man, sit and make love. Tell the lover boy them to stop make love. Oh, say that man a make love. Tell the lover boy them to stop. You know I may not be familiar with the girl them doing, but if I bow with the girl them have a new style to make you do it. Like if you bow a girl be true, the girl find a style to bow you. So lover boy be careful nowadays where you are do. The girl them a season them dressing in the morning. Hey! Bowman pan it the night time and that is true. Season breast look like that. Right. Me tell about season breast. Season breast. Tell the people them about this season breast. We telling us season breast. Season
people them about, yeah, you mean? When me tell you about the thing season breast, about the thing honey and palm breast, boy. When me tell you about the thing season breast, about the thing sesquelly and palm breast, boy. When me tell you about the thing season breast, about the thing pepper palm breast, boy. When me tell you about the thing season breast, about the thing onion palm breast on your knife. Y'all live in a business where you rest me. I got tell you this the time season breast, season breast. Me I go tell you how the girl them start season. You know them take off, you know when me a talk out of them chest and rub them man down in a them bird nest and rub it all over them chest. And you see when you go kiss up that the breast. Swear to God, you never lose the contest. Cause when you're a Roman top top there, you know you do it the best. You know the season, bruh. Season, bruh. Why came I did the message there where I reach man nowadays? So you hear me? Me say, oh, say that man now make love. Tell me jump and come on and God me then I no more me tell you say when me tell you loving days done the way the woman them a hack you know but if you don't want woman
outside the ways a ninja no massive
we are wicked when we are launch and attack we enemy try a thing you know a X amount of shots don't love wicked when we are launch and attack and we are lit the big gun name the glad stone love it a murderer say we pound him a carry the luga me say stone love it a murderer watch the youth when them call cancer stone love sound it a click a pussy try a thing when you go back the matic and me say stone love it a click a pussy try a thing and say it better exit to see the badness business a we rule it when we a bus copper shot police a youth back then stick you know see the badness business a we rule it when we a bus copper shot police a youth back then stick even the wicked but when no wicked like a me if no me not ready me up the 16 if no wicked but when no wicked like a me if no mean we take away all the magazine on see the launcher and me originated me be use that and lead down at this chicken you see the big glad people have sour that me stay from Jamaica shot Saddam and Iraq you see the magnum the heaviest handgun it was a Spanish town it out in a king so
Friday I come right here and think I could breeze ya alright Friday I come right here and think I could breathe don't you know that Friday I come right here and think I could breeze ya Friday I come right here and think I could breathe. There's no song like the stone love song that I know. There's no song like the stone love song that I know. No, I know stone love will make you cry, and I'm gonna tell you why. Don't wanna hear no, be that some boy. I know stone love will make you cry, and I'm gonna tell you why.
Now here it is.
Wagwan ENT.